all the teachers, the staff here in Hawk Country, all the parents. It's a big evening for our students and a wonderful partnership begins tonight.
This is an opportunity to bring in extra revenue for the school, help support all the great programs here, and also to fortify partnership with the local business.
We've got a terrific partnership with Alpaca Ford, and this aligns with our vision for our career academies, where we match up with a local business provider, and it provides our kids an opportunity for additional training. They get paid on the job training, and they're off to a great start with a career in the automotive business. That's what they choose.
Look up at the press box to officially name this Alpaca Field. Alpaca's made a commitment that our juniors and seniors, when they're ready to begin their days in the workforce, he wants them to be mechanics at Alpaca Ford. So we've literally developed a pathway from our classroom to the garage bay, and that we intend for that to go on for years and years to come.
With the Automotive Academy, the opportunity presented itself, and we said, hey, let's get together, and you know, we made a long-term commitment to each other, so very exciting.
As parents, we all hope that our kids go to college or a technical school or develop a trade, and these academies really give kids a jump start on what they want to accomplish.